psycho giddy schoolgirl because this is really exciting. This has been on the way for a while. I heard about this product I feel like it was a couple of months ago I heard about this product, okay? And for any of you guys who don't know, I suffered a severe concussion from a 4-car accident that took me out of my life. So anything that is in brain health and wellness makes me a giddy schoolgirl, which is why you heard me laughing like a psycho like 30 seconds ago. Okay, so I am really excited about this product. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Okay, now let's get into it.
No.
He won't let me play with sharp tools right now because I'm too crazy. Oh my gosh. Are you excited, Rukia? I'm excited. Rukia's excited. Okay, you guys, it's happening. Okay, open with care. Only true beauty inside. The art of well-being. I've never seen that one before.
No,
That's new. Okay. So what we have is boxes inside of boxes. I mean boxes inside of a box. I can't even English. Can I get it out?
Need some help?
No! I got this. Okay, so we're gonna pile these out really quick. I literally
File them up for the camera.
I got 6 boxes of the same product because I want to give this a good solid trial to see how I think about. No, that's not how you do it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Well, okay, so there's like 6 of them. So you go like this, and then you put 2, and then you put 1. And then it looks really, look at how pretty that looks. It's so pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna, so if you can see it, it says Nootropic Elixir helps support brain function, memory, and focus. It's for cognitive performance, focus, and concentration. So if you guys have seen the collagen, the marine collagen, and the stress adaptogen, it comes in the same kind of packaging. So it is meant to be a shot. It's a liquid shot. And the thing that's really beautiful about the liquid shots is that it allows for you to be able to put really amazing ingredients in a particular container. And it's dark so that the UV rays don't get to it to actually mess with it, because it's going to actually screw with the product if the UV rays are getting access to it. And also, once you seal it, the live ingredients that are in there are now contained, because you're not going to have any oxidation as well, which means that there's no oxygen that's going to get in there that's going to actually dissipate the potency of the product. So when you have something, it's a little bit more expensive when it's bottled up like this, obviously, but you're going to get really high concentrated, clean, active ingredients in here, which is incredibly exciting. So, and I really love the way that they have this little tab in here, because you can literally just take and close it and it seals up really beautifully. All of the packaging on these products, they just don't spare expense. I'm not gonna lie, they really don't. So, did you show them the Nootropic Elixir bottle?
No.
Okay, so show them the Nootropic. There you go, see that? So it says Nootropic Elixir. So we're gonna open this and we're gonna try it together for the first time, okay? So let's crack them open. I didn't shake mine.
I shook it. That's what I gave it to you.
You shook it? Scotty shook it. Okay, are you ready? Clink. Oh, I guess I don't have to make the sound clink, because they actually...
It clinks.
Wait, okay. I wanna make the sound clink though. Okay.
It tastes familiar. It's good, but it tastes familiar. What is that flavor?
It tastes like a bunch of superfoods.
I've tasted this before. Well, not this, obviously, but... Why does it taste so familiar? It tastes really good. Almost like a... familiar juice.
This is making Scott
Yeah.
access past memories.
This brings back so many memories that I just don't remember. Does that happen to anybody else? Because I'll smell something, I'll taste something, and I know it's a memory from when I was a child, but I don't remember that memory.
Yeah, yeah.
But that's what that is. It tastes like something. I have no idea what it is.
So if you want, you can down this in one shot, the size that it is.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm planning on putting this in my fridge, and I'm going to be consuming this every single day until all of these are gone. And then I'll be giving a review of what I think about these and how it supports my cognitive function. And because Scott knows I push myself really hard, and I end up with headaches at the end of the day because I push it so hard as a result. I still, after 10 years, do suffer with negative health effects as a result of my concussion, even though it happened in 2012. So I am always on the lookout for something that is going to support my cognitive function. So I'm really excited about using this. And I'm just going to say that it is absolutely my goal to have the collagen, the stress adaptogen, and the nootropics in my fridge at all times, because I very much firmly believe that these products are high quality. They're very active ingredients, and I find so far with the collagen and the stress adaptogen, they're incredibly supportive, and I love them, and my body wants them, and my body wants access to them all the time. I crave them, and not because it's sugar, because it's good, because it's healthy. Your body should be craving healthy stuff and have access to it. So I'm going to add the nootropics to the mix and try it out and see what I think about it, and I'm absolutely going to let you know how this goes. So if any of you have suffered a concussion, or suffer from any kind of neurological challenges, and you want to try something new that's highly active and incredibly powerful, I highly recommend you hit me up on this. So thank you so much for trying this with me. I really appreciate your support,
You're very
sweetheart.
welcome.
And reach out to me if you want to try this, okay? Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I love and appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm telling you, this is the first of many amazing nutritional products that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, because I'm an addict. So it doesn't matter whether it's coming from this company or somewhere else. I'm an addict. I love this stuff. So, I mean, I'm just saying. Love you. Mwah! I'm so excited.